Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the dryer safe. Unplug the unit, shut off gas if you have it, and clear the work area. Once done, put on gloves and eye protection, lay out the Sealegend rods and brush heads. Feed the first flexible rod into the exterior vent just until you feel resistance, then lock the rod to the handle. Make a small mark on the rod to note depth so you know how far you've pushed. This saves time and prevents overinsertion. Now you attach the appropriate brush head and begin rotating the handle clockwise as you gently push forward. The rotation agitates and breaks up compacted lint. Once you reach the end of a rod, unlock and add the next one, keeping consistent rotation and moderate pressure to avoid kinking. Make sure to alternate pull-in push motions to dislodge stubborn clogs. If you get lint moving toward the dryer, have a vacuum ready at the interior duct opening to capture debris before it falls inside. Finish by retracting the brush slowly while you run a vacuum at the opening so loosened lint is removed, then inspect the vent hood and flap for smooth operation. Once satisfied, reattach exterior components, reconnect the dryer, and run a short test cycle to verify strong airflow. If the brush binds or won't pass a bend, stop immediately. Try inserting from the opposite end, or use an inspection camera to locate the blockage. This prevents rod damage and ensures a complete, safe clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.